Hello, this is a quick video on how to turn on and always have the app data folder visible. Normally, to gain access to the app data folder, what you would do is go to your file explorer, go to this PC and select the drive you're on, in my case C drive. You then go to the users folder, followed by the username that you're logged in on folder, which in my case is Will C. I would click the Will C folder. And in this folder, if it was visible, the app data folder would appear here, but it's not. So let's go ahead and turn it on. To turn it on, to turn hidden folders on, that is, what you want to do is go to your control panel, easy to access by going to the type search bar at the bottom and type in control panel. Go ahead and open up the control panel and then select appearance and personalization. Then go to the file explorer options and then right here, click show hidden files and folders. In this new menu that pops up, what you want to do is go down to the hidden files and folders and select show hidden files, folders, and drives. Make sure to select that, apply, and hit OK. Now, in my experience while making this video, it didn't always sync up on the first time. So let's go ahead and see if it did. It did not. Even if I refresh, it did not. So what you should do, if that happens to you, is go back to your control panel and click show hidden files and folders again. And as you can see, even though we applied it, it didn't actually go through. So go ahead and just click it again and click apply, okay, again. And in this case, it did. So for me, it has to do it twice for it to actually apply. And I'm back in that Will See folder. And here I see app data. So now I have access to that app data folder. Let's go ahead and close out, and I'm just going to do it all over again to show you how to do it. Open up File Explorer, this PC, select the drive you're on. We can see a bunch of more hidden folders are now appearing. You can see because they're kind of light faded. Go to Users, select the username you're on, and then again, App Data is right here. And that is how you turn on and always have the App Data folder appear for you. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.